Well, we're gonna be on that today. I got my buddies with me. Today we're gonna just work around here. I need to get some lumber cut, finish up some orders, and it came a heck of a storm 2 days ago, and of course rained a lot, and the ground wasn't dried out, and I ain't playing in the mud today. Like, I'm tired of mud, I'm tired of fighting it. So today we're going to work around the farm here. As y'all can see, I got logs sitting everywhere. I got a huge order I gotta get started on, like 350 2x4s and then 350 2x6s. With these, some oak logs the guy brought me, he wants 1/2 inch siding cut out of it. Maybe I can get the fire back going, but I gotta cut up those white oak for a guy. I need to be cutting my own lumber to fix my trailer deck. I gotta do that. So anyway, that's what we're gonna be doing around here, just messing around. I'll probably time lapse a couple, logs being sawn up. The sawmill videos don't seem to do too great, but some people like seeing it. But anyway, it's kind of a day in the life of me and what I do when it's too wet to be on the machine. And I'd really like to be riding my dirt bike. That's what I need to be doing. So anyway, y'all hang around. All right, so I got the first log loaded up. I meant to tell you, it's red oak. This guy wants this 1/2 inch by ever how wide I can true it up. Probably get, you might get a true 10 inch or 8 inch wide board out of that. So let me set y'all up on a time lapse somewhere. Okay, so cutting this thin stuff's gonna take a minute. I really hate doing it. The first 2 boards I cut 1/2 inch, and that's just gonna be too thin. The blade's not gonna stay consistent enough to cut a 1/2 inch, so I'm gonna cut 3/4 inch, and that should give me enough thickness to make up any play in the blade. Sometimes people want unrealistic things. Like, if he should have cut them 1 inch and then planed them down, but they want the most out of the log. But just sometimes things aren't realistic. This is rough cut stuff, so it's not meant to be finished dimensions. So, but 3/4 should be thick enough that you'll still have plenty of siding boards. So, anyway, let me get this one cut up and then I'll show y'all some finished boards. Okay, I got this one finished up. See what they look like. Be some nice boards. See how wide they are. 1 by 10 or 10 inches wide, right on it. So I'm going to slide this over. This is just the process of how I do things. Once I get it cut up, I'll take the scrap here to the burn pit, and I'll come back. And since those are so thin, I'm just going to leave them stacked like that instead of, I usually will set them off as we're cutting and come around here and pick them up and then go stack them. But since those are so thin, I'm just going to leave them where they are, and I'm going to set them. Yeah, about out of room to set stuff. Got too many orders laying around. People need to come get their stuff. Probably set them right over there. So let me take these to the burn pit. set my log stops back up. Now we can load another log on here. Alright, that's basically the process. Well, when it's just me here, my dad's here or whatever, it goes a lot better, goes quicker. But this log's got a pretty good bow in it. I don't know if you can tell. Anyway, what I'm probably gonna do is I'm probably gonna cut some of this end off. I'll cut that off, and then I'll cut this end that's got the most bow in it down here off. That way it's not wasting so much to square it up. And I showed this the other day, the new 261. Probably gonna do a review on this chainsaw. Of course, this one's brand new. My other one, I've had it for a little over 2 years now, I guess. I'll probably do a review on this saw soon, because I make a living with this thing, so y'all may be interested in what I got to say about it, and if you're looking for a chainsaw. So anyway, y'all stick around and we'll come up with something.